Hello everybody, this is Wolf again with my second Infobarrel tutorial, and today I'm going to discuss how to add Google Analytics to your Infobarrel account. Now, to start off, you want to get Google Analytics, and it'll look something like this when you have actual websites to add to it. These are all my other random websites, and you can see I have Infobarrel here twice because there's a little trick that I'm going to discuss later. It's not really a trick, it's more of a I didn't know that, whatever. But yeah, you're going to want to start by getting a Google Analytics account, and you can sign up for it through your AdSense panel. If you don't have AdSense, that's okay. You don't need it for Infobarrel anymore now with their new payment system. You can just go to Google Analytics by Googling it or finding it through the Google menu, and you're going to want to go to this after you sign in with your Google account. You're going to want to go to Admin, and you're going to want to go to your accounts. You can add another account, I guess, and then you're going to want to click on a new web property. And you can either pick the classic analytics. You can read through all these, see if you know what any of it means and if you really need it, or you could just go with this. And this is what you're going to want to type your website name. That's purely for labeling purposes. Then add the URL and then pick what it's about. I don't want to add Infobarrel to my analytics account for a third time, so I just won't do that. But anyway, it'll give you like a tracking code from, Amazon associates that I did previously. But you're going to want to go to My Account to add it in, and Advertising Profile, and see you're going to get a little number like this from your Google Analytics. You're going to want to copy it all, even the UA, and then you're going to want to edit, and you're going to want to paste it in here. And then you're going to want to save. I can't click save. Apparently, if you save, it goes back into queue. But the thing that people really need to remember, it's important that once you paste this in and save, it doesn't automatically show up. It goes into a queue somewhere in the Infobarrel admins panel, and they have to approve it before you actually start getting, information about where your visitors are coming, traffic sources, all the things that Analytics does. You have to wait for the admins to approve it. That's very important, and that's primarily why I'm making this tutorial, is because people don't know that, and then they go onto the forums and they say, why isn't this and this showing up in my Google Analytics? And the admins have to come in, or one of the members who knows this has to come in and say, well, they have to approve it. And I usually give Infobarrel admins about a week to do this. They're actually really fast about approving things, unless it's the weekend. There's kind of a lull in the weekends because, everyone needs a day off, and they're like a two-man operation running this whole site. But they're great guys. They're really fast about doing this stuff. And just give them a week, and then send a friendly email if they haven't done it by then. And they will get around to it and reply to your email. Great guys, real fast, great customer service all on this site. But yeah, that's all there is to it. And then once it's approved, you'll start getting, the website data. I don't want to show you mine. I turned off metrics to see the data, but you can either click on this to see your views and where the traffic's coming from and all that stuff. Or you can click on this and it'll show you how many views you've had in this time period. But yeah, if you're not an Infobarrel member, you can sign up in the referral link in my video description. Yeah, that's it. I'm Wolf. If you have any questions or comments, post a comment and I'll get back to you with either another comment or a video if it's something that needs explaining. Have a nice day, everybody.